So I really wanted one of these freak athlete machines, but I decided I could make one. It does a bunch of movements, but so does my machine.
Hello, Angus here, and I made this.
So what we have is a wall-mounted bracket, which is from Mirafit. It's a 60 by 60 bracket, and then the main column here that I use for the belt squat is a 60 by 60 as well, with a little attachment. I made a longer video breaking down how I make this video, but as you can see, by using the hinge there, you can do all sorts of movements. Then you can use the wall bracket for sit-ups and nordic drops. You can also attach your dip station to it. You can also do single leg squats, which is quite nice to have your foot up against the wall. Then you're using these pads that I got for strength chop. They're just mounted onto a bit of a wood, and then you can use those for hip thrusts, glute ham raises, and reverse hypers. And then if you put it at an angle, you can also do back extensions with it. And we're just using the dip station there as a stand. Then I tried this out here. This is with using another mount for a standing hip thrust.
This is a 2-inch pipe with a hole through it there. Just pin through. If you have one of these fancy attachments, this one's from ATX. In the UK, you get this from the Gym Professor. Sit yourself in. You go in the way as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, just a short one. Check you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.